Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to make a lemon spray for fleas. This video will explore everything that you will need and provide the method that will effectively work in creating this natural remedy. So stick around for the best guide. First, assemble the necessary ingredients and tools. Making this natural remedy from the comfort of your home requires minimal supplies, but you will need enough time for the remedy to be ready. You'll require a knife, a spray bottle, a fork, a strainer, a cooking pot, a funnel, and a bowl. Preparing the lemons. Use the knife to make thick lemon slices and transfer the cut lemons into the pot. Use the fork to smash the lemon slices to release more juice. This helps break up the rinds to release the citric acid that kills and repels fleas. Boil the lemons. Add water to the pot with lemon slices and place it over high heat. Cover the pot and bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiled, switch to medium heat and leave the mixture on the flame for about 30 minutes. Infuse the water with the lemon juice. After boiling the mixture, remove the pot from the fire and let the lemons steep. This allows all the lemon compounds to be extracted. Allow the mixture to soak overnight or for more than 8 hours. Strain the mixture. Once the lemon water mixture has steeped long enough, strain the mixture over a bowl to remove the lemon slices and debris. Discard the slices when done straining. Add vinegar. While vinegar can be used by mixing it with water as a repellent, you can add some vinegar to the lemon solution. Properly stir the vinegar and lemon solution before pouring the mixture into the spray bottle through a funnel. Spray the solution on your pet's fur and gently brush it in. So there you have it. Fleas are harmful pests that are prone to irritating your pet's skin and transferring pathogens, causing diseases in your pet and risking its health. Removing and repelling them should now be easy to protect your pets. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.